Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making milk powder barfi with coconut. There it is, dried coconut, milk powder, and that's whole milk powder, and 1 condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. So let's get started. So I'll add 1 can of condensed milk. Add in some cardamom, 1 teaspoon. We're gonna stir. Add the coconut. Milk powder. Check it out here. So I will roll this out quickly before it gets dry. These guys roll the fudge here, just a little. Check it out. Check it out, guys. Nice fudge. White fudge, I make it wrong. Check it out. Anyways, guys, today is my daughter's birthday. I would like to wish her a happy birthday. She was born on Mother's Day, and today is a special day for me. So happy birthday, baby. May you have a blessed one for Mother's Day and your birthday. And to all those mother out there, happy Mother Day. To all my family, friends who are mother, my mother-in-law, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, especially to Mona too. My sister Mona, happy Mother's Day. Anyways, guys, check it out here. Came out so nice. Check it out, looking so good.